Sesame Lane, our philosophy is to provide a safe, respectful and caring environment so that all children may enjoy a program of continuous learning through discovery, fun and play. Sesame Lane has a vision to inspire learning early. We have one dream and we are one team. Our biggest asset is our people, and our people really make the difference. We can't realise our vision without you. Our promise is to create happy, healthy learners, but this starts with you, our happy, healthy educators. Our purpose is to provide caring and educational experiences to realise each child's best potential. At the end of the day, ask yourself, how did you inspire learning early today with the children?